Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to tag or mention someone on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes. Watch the video to the end. Let's get started. This method works on both computers and cell phones. So I'm going to do it on an iPhone, and you can do it on any device. So we're going to go to YouTube. Next, we have to log into our account. After that, we close it. Click Library. Here we find your video. Choose any video where we want to mention or tag someone. Click Edit. Now we can mention either in the description or in the title. Select the title. Put a space. We select the @ symbol like this. And after that, we write any text. We get people. We can tag a person like this. We can also go to the description, and we can also put the @ symbol. We can write any letter and mark any person. Let's say like this. After that, we exit. We press Save. And now this person will be marked or mentioned on YouTube. If you liked this video, you can like it. You can like it. You can subscribe to the channel. Thank you all. Goodbye.